For those of you that are brand new with askSlim, we offer several premium memberships for our subscribers that join, and that includes technical analysis services, innovative trading, trade planning tools, and then comprehensive education. And that's for various trading styles. And that also includes a separate service that we do have available for day traders, specifically for intraday swing traders. We have developed a very precise methodology for looking for those larger swings happening intraday. So again, we have 4 premium membership levels with also then that separate day trader service. But today, the announcement is that we are running our askSlim open house. It is a free premium services preview, as we've indicated up here on this top banner on the homepage. And for all of you that are have always been curious to what we offer here at askSlim, maybe you've been watching the YouTube videos or have come out and seen some of the other segments that we've done in terms of free live events, or you've tested us out in the past, this is a chance to come back in, get another look at many of those most popular premium services that we do offer. It's absolutely free. There's no credit card required. This will be running for a few weeks, and you really will get an excellent taste of what we do here in terms of a world-class technical analysis team. Slim, RV, myself, Katie, we're all going to be participating in providing this information to you, the content. You're going to have specific services. You also have some of our automated trade planning tools. So a really comprehensive look at what we do. And you're going to be able to see, learn, and do. You know, when I say see, it means you get the opportunity to view our methodology, as you heard us talk about today, in a very deep, immersive look at it. And then you'll be able to really learn about it. As Slim mentioned, RV does a brilliant job as he steps through the charts that Slim prepares on major markets, on the indexes, on the futures markets. And whether or not you trade futures, it really gives you a chance to learn about our methodology. We'll also have trade ideas, and we'll have option ideas from Katie. So again, excuse me, it's going to cover a huge amount of information, styles. We'll have our new day trader cockpit will be available, not our full day trader service, but our day trader cockpit will be available. We'll have our charts hub. Again, just a lot of variety, and it will be very broad for you to be able to see in terms of the coverage that we have, the various styles. So whether you're a day trader, or if you're a short-term swing trader, intermediate swing trader, or even an active investor, there will be opportunities for you to participate and really learn and be able to see how we apply this information. So how can you get started? Well, if you're brand new, or if you're a free member or part of any of our free lists, you're going to want to come to askSlim homepage, just like I had done before here, and then click on Learn More, and that'll take you to the sign up page and the overview page. And then you click here to claim your free trial. There's absolutely no credit card required. It says there's no strings attached, and you will have full access to more than 10 of our most popular services. There'll be some surprises along the way. We're going to bring in some other fun and incredibly useful services that'll probably happen in the second week of the PSP. And if you sign up today or over the weekend, this is going to kick off on Tuesday. So there is going to be a little sneak peek preview that you're going to have, and you'll be able to utilize a few of our tools prior. So here's what the actual dashboard will look like through probably Tuesday or Monday. So you're going to get a complimentary look at the daily snapshot, which includes a ton of technical analysis on the S&P, the NASDAQ, and the Russell. It's got our 2-hour daily, weekly charts in there. Then you'll get full access to our charts hub. So that's our complete focus list with weekly and daily charts, and you'll have access to those over the weekend. And then on Tuesday, everything else is going to open up. So our day trader service in terms of the cockpit, and then all of these other services in here. So you're going to have a ton to be able to review, learn, see, and do with askSlim over the next few weeks. I will be hosting on Tuesday, probably around 12:30 Central Standard Time, I'll do a PSP info and trade planning webinar. So in these webinars, it's not about selling. It's all about learning and it's about applying. So if you come to the webinar, you're going to have a chance to learn and then also suggest some symbols that I'll step through how you can use our services to go through the trade planning process. And that's the ultimate goal, is that you can become competent and confident with your own methodology. And with us, you get a chance to see how pros use a methodology that has been built and evolved with under Slim's guidance for over 6 decades now and 50 years.